Hi everyone, this is Glenda from Beads Gone Wild. I just wanted to do a quick little video on how to do Russian spiral. First I have to say that I've seen Russian spiral done with a step up and without. Most of our kits we've done it with the step up because I like the tension that it leaves a little better. So just beware if you buy other kits or patterns Russian spiral, it may be done a little differently. So to start out, we have, in this case, a crystal and 3 seed beads. And a crystal and 3 seed beads and a crystal and 3 seed beads. So this is going to be 3 beads around. And right now I'm using a 6 mil and 8 O's, but normally let's say it would be 4 mil with 11 O or 3 mil with 15 O. You can experiment and try different things. So the first thing we do is to pick those up in a line like this, crystal and 3, crystal 3, crystal 3. Then go back through all of them to make a circle. Then we'll be tying a knot, and I'll do that right quick. Okay, so I've gone through them all. And I've circled it a couple times, and now I'm exiting the first seed bead after the crystal. Every time we're going to be picking up a crystal and 3 seed beads, crystal and 3, crystal 3. That's going to be one row. I'm going to change this first crystal color so that you'll be able to see where it is, okay? So we pick up the crystal, 3 seed beads, and we stitch into the first seed bead right after the next crystal, which is right there. Now this first row may kind of lay out to the side, and that's okay for your first row, so you can see where you are. We're going to pick up again a crystal and 3 seed beads, and we're going to stitch into the 11 O right after the next crystal. Then we're going to do that one more time. Crystal and 3 seed beads. And we need to stitch it into the crystal, the seed bead, right after the next crystal, which is there. And now we're going to do what we would call a step up, which is go through the first crystal that we put on, and come back out the next seed bead after it. So we're in position to do the next row. And now you can tighten this up and make sure these 3 beads stick up at the top. Notice I'm holding the tail, pushing there. So I would see 3 beads now, and then we'll get ready to do the next row. Okay. So we've got our beads laid out, and I'm going to suggest you do that. A crystal and 3, crystal and 3, crystal and 3. I'm going to change the first color again so you can see what's happening. I'm coming out this seed bead, pick up a crystal and 3 seed beads, which that's easy enough to remember. Look forward from where my thread is. Go through the next seed bead after the next crystal, the first seed bead after the crystal. Pick up a crystal, 3 seed beads, Look forward, find the next crystal, go in the seed bead after it. So here's where most people, mess up. They pick up the crystal and the 3 seed beads. And they kind of forget about this one and they run way over to here. But you don't want to do that. This is the very next crystal in front of where we are. And actually it looks a little different than the others because you only have 1 seed bead here, which is another reason why people get a little confused. So I find the next crystal, the next seed bead, go through the crystal, and then come out this one. So now I'm ready to do the next row. And that's called the step up, and now you can see what's happening with the pattern. Each new row, it's hard to hold these big beads actually. Each new row starts 1 over, and it does spiral. So again, pick up 3 crystals, crystal and 3 seed beads go through here, crystal and 3 seed beads go through there. Look for the very next crystal, go through the seed bead after, plus we would go through the new ones we just put on. I hope that helps and explains. It's a little bit, you want to keep this tight as you're working, so as you move it around in your hand, keep it tight. And I hope that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call or email, info@beadsgonewild. Be sure to subscribe to our page so you'll know when we have new videos. And if there's a video you'd like to see, please email me. I'll be happy to do it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.